I'm speaking to you today from Darden South Lounge, a space where we often welcome prospective students and visitors. It's a fitting setting for a conversation about your resume because your resume is one of the very first opportunities you have to showcase the experiences, impact, and potential you would bring to the Darden community. Your resume is typically submitted part of the application and is reviewed before your interview. It's an important opportunity to highlight parts of your candidacy that are most relevant to our admissions committee. In other words, it matters. As you build your resume, think beyond the simple list of jobs and responsibilities. At Darden, we're looking for high-impact leaders, so consider including a section titled Leadership or Leadership Experience. Use that space to highlight both formal and informal leadership roles, as well as the impact you've made in those positions. Whenever possible, include measurable results so your contributions are clear, concrete, and memorable. You may also want to think about whether a section such as global exposure or international experience belongs on your resume. Global experience is absolutely not an admissions requirement at Darden, but if you've studied, worked, lived, volunteered, or collaborated across cultures, those experiences can add another dimension to your story. They can demonstrate global awareness, adaptability, and cross-cultural communication skills, qualities that are increasingly valuable in today's business environment. And finally, don't overlook the personal interest section. Your resume does not need to feel dry or purely functional. This is one of the few places where your personality can truly come through. Rather than listing broad interests like reading, cooking, running, or dancing, try to be more specific. What are you reading? What do you enjoy cooking? What was the last race you ran? These details help bring your story to life and make you more memorable. Ultimately, the goal is to present an authentic and focused picture of who you are, the impact you've made, the experiences that shaped you, and the perspective you would bring to the Darden community.